So now let us learn about the input in Python. Input statement is used to accept values from the user that is using the keyboard, and input it always result for input is always a string. Okay, int of input is always for int. Similar way, float is used to take the input from the user which has the data type float. Okay, so let us practice writing a program to input two numbers and print their sum. So this is the program which I have discussed in the past lectures. So A, you are going to take the input from the user, and B, then you are going to add. Now let us give it as the float values. Okay, control S, and yeah. Now you're not going to give the integer value here. You are going to give. Okay, let me have to click on this first. Yeah, 12.43, enter. Then the value of p, that is 23.45, and so this is what the value is. So 1 plus 2 3, 2 plus 3 5. So this and all are the backend calculations. So after this, now let us take the input side of a square and print its area. So square dot py. So as we know, square will be having four sides. Yeah. So to print the area of a square, first you need to know this is the square with the side equal to a. Okay, and this area will be equal to a square. Okay, now let us take VS Code, and then uh, let us take a variable name as a for the size and assign some value 12, and okay, let us take like this: a is equal to int of input, enter side of a square, and then area equal to, here we have taken the variable name to be a, so a into a, and then we have to print the area. Okay, so let me save it first and then run. So here let me enter 4. So 4 square is 16. So this is how you can write a program for printing the area of a square. Okay, now let us see. Now let us write a program to input two floating point numbers and print their average. So for printing the average, average.py. Now for printing the average, first let us take a is equal to, since it's a float value, float of input, enter first number. Okay, so similarly, okay, wait. Yes, for similarly for B, enter the second number. So average is equal to A plus B divided by 2. Okay, so now average of two numbers is, we are going to give this average. Let me save it first and run. So first number, since this is a float, I have to give the decimal point. Okay, wait. Yeah. 12.4, 13.5. So we got the answer to be equal to 12.95. Okay. So now I will give you a practice problem. So write a program to input two numbers, that is A and B. Print true if A is greater than or equal to B, if not false. So I will be giving you the code in the next lecture. So try it once.